In today's digital landscape, where online security is paramount, understanding and implementing OAuth2 authentication is crucial for developers working with platforms like YouTube. This powerful protocol allows your applications to securely access user data and perform actions on their behalf, opening up a world of possibilities for seamless video integration and data access. In this educational video, we'll take you on a journey through the intricacies of YouTube OAuth2, demystifying the process and equipping you with the knowledge and skills to confidently implement secure authentication in your projects. To solidify your learning, we'll provide practical examples and real-world use cases, demonstrating how to integrate YouTube OAuth2 into your application seamlessly. By the end of this educational journey, you'll not only understand the intricacies of YouTube OAuth2, but also possess the confidence to implement secure authentication in your projects, unlocking a world of possibilities for seamless video integration and data access.